Today we're going to go to Windsor. Everything's closed still. Windsor Castle's closed till Thursday. All the sites over there are still closed today, and I think my selfie stick is bent. Oh well, I have to get the show on the road.
So yesterday, I planned on biking to Windsor. I had this whole road closed from my hotel, past my hotel, all the way this way for the Queen's procession as she was making her way to Windsor. So I stopped, waited 2 hours, saw this, got hungry, went back to the hotel, ate, watched it on TV, then I went to Lancaster Square and spent some money. But today, we're going to Windsor. So I believe I want this. I think. Okay, we're gonna stop and look at my phone. Yeah, I'm on the right course. We're gonna check out that McDonald's on the way back. And that car was for sale. So now behind the airport's that way. And planes are coming in. I don't think it's going to take very long before another one comes in. Because I am behind Heathrow Airport. I think I'm doing this right. I think. I'll just bike for 10 more minutes, look at my phone, and then realize I've gone the wrong way. So there's a Nissan dealer. I want to go straight. So I want to go over here. I want to go over my right shoulder. Go through here. I want to go right here. Beautiful. Wait, right? Hold on. Nope. I screwed this up royally. I want to go there. Now, I am where I want to go. So I just flipped to the other side of the road, and there's this nice, beautiful pathway. I don't have to worry about the sidewalk, the cars, the people. I just have buses coming my direction. So this roundabout is my next obstacle. And this time, I'm going to look at my phone first. Shell, yep. All right, this way. At least now I can ride back on the road again. So this is the shopping center I have to go around. Or I could go straight through there. A little bit of a hike-a-bike, but I found my path. Thames path. I like this path. What kind of? Okay, this is not the path I thought it was going to be. Up to my pave. I have to wash the bike before I bring it back. Ah. Well, I thought I liked the path. Well, it looks like you're going in the shower with me tonight, right? These are those off the beaten trail things that you find when you start exploring. And they are kind of nice. I would like to just hit back on the highway. Ooh, I have nothing, no more. Oh, what's this? So my pathway is closed for a real good distance. So we're now on the road. Where else am I going to go? We have a roundabout. Windsor. Welcome to historic Windsor, England, not Ontario. So now I take this path out of Old Windsor, I think, into New Windsor, I think. A lot of thinking going on. So I just left the long walk. No bicycles allowed at all. Basically that means nothing. I can't even push my bike. The castle is dead in front of me. It looks, wait. Well, it looks beautiful, but wait. I think I'm going to be dismounting here soon. So I just left the long walk. I'm looking for food. You know what kind of food I'm looking for. And then I think we're going to head back. No, we're not. That's a lie. So to my right is the castle wall. Oh, bus. Impeccable timing, bus. Ah, the Royal McDonald's. So that's it. My damage is done. I spent too much money. I am immediately stopping. So there is the option of taking the train home. Then I can spend more time up here. But, you know, it's not really a bike ride if I take the train home or back to London. So we're gonna switch to GPS mode. Gear down a little. Well, there's that cop car I passed, so they went far. I'll power up the side of the castle here. I was in too light of a gear. Peace God. street just looks so dangerous. And that is it. That, my friends, is Windsor. You know, I've noticed that, oh, hey, my first Dodge Ram. Yes. This way. Right? Yes. This way. I've noticed that their license plate bolts match the color of the license plate where the bolt is. This one has black bolts, that one had white bolts. If they're yellow, they have yellow bolts. That one had one black, one yellow, white. BB is on the outside of the backpack in a plastic bag. I don't think she appreciates it that much, but what I have, I spent too much, bought a hoodie, some dukes for 10 pounds cheaper than what they were in London. So if you want to do some souvenir shopping, just skip London, go to Windsor. But that's it. The long walk is beside me. I am now full steam ahead back to jolly old London. Take care.